Welcome to our polytunnel update, everybody, and make sure you sit back, relax and enjoy, because it's going to be a long episode because things are starting to move now in the polytunnel. We are excited, we're getting things growing and it's all coming along, so we want to give you the weekly updates to show you what is happening in this polytunnel. I'm amazed with what it was like and what it's going to be like in the future, and hopefully lots and lots of produce in here. So let's have a look at what's growing and what's not growing. So these are the Oakland Gardens hanging baskets and they're growing absolutely fantastic. The strawberries are growing well and they're taking, and hopefully we'll get lots and lots of strawberries on them, but we'll give you an update on them individually, so stay tuned for that episode of how well they're getting on. So let's have a look in our mini greenhouse. Look at them, the sweet peas are doing fantastic. These are in the Oakland Gardens root trainers, growing well. We've also planted another batch there, so hopefully we'll get some more growing. We've got our potatoes chitting as well. We'll be planting those on Good Friday outside. They're all doing well. And yeah, look at this, everybody. This is how it's all looking now, my polytunnel. Absolutely amazing. We've got all this compost in the beds and they're all doing well. Down this side we'll be having all our cucumber plants down this side, and we'll also be growing lettuce in front of them. Fingers crossed we'll get some lettuce growing in them. Not planted that yet, that's on our job to do next week. Now I've filled all these middle beds with seeds, so let's tell you what's in each one. So in this one, we've got lettuce mixed leaf. So we're going to have cut and come again lettuce in this one. The other beds are going to have iceberg lettuces in, because I love iceberg lettuces. So this is cut and come again lettuce in this one. In this one, we have got beetroot. So fingers crossed we get some decent beetroot growing in it. I love my beetroot. In this one, we've got red and white spring onions. I've never grown red ones before, so that's a new thing for me this year to try, see whether they grow all right and they taste okay. I've never tasted a red spring onion either, so exciting for that. In this one, we have got carrots. Now, as everybody knows, I've never had good success with carrots in the 20 years that I've had my plot. This is my year for growing good carrots. So we've got carrots in this one, so we'll see if we get some decent carrots. This is the only bed I've filled up to the top with compost, because obviously the carrots might get pretty long. So we'll see how they get on. In this one, we have got spinach. We're going to grow some spinach in this one. I'll have my tomatoes at the back of the plants here. The tomato plants are all going to go down this back bit where I usually grow them. They always grow well in this area. In this bed, we have got radishes. So hopefully we'll get some decent radishes. Fastest growing vegetable around. So if you want to grow a fast veg, radishes to go. Then we've got some more radishes in this one. So we've got 2 beds of radishes. I didn't realise I'd done 2 beds, but yeah, we've got 2 beds of radishes, so we'll get lots of radishes. They'll all be ready to harvest before we plant the tomatoes, as like I said, the fastest growing. And then in this one, we've got some pak choi. I've never grown pak choi before, so that's new to me. You can have them as a big plant or cut them when they've got small leaves on them. So yeah, that's going to be good. So we're trying pak choi. We've still got that bed to fill, so that's another thing to do. We've also got some more potatoes chitting over here. Absolutely loads of potatoes this year. We're going to be growing them in the Oakland Garden buckets, as I always grow them in buckets, because then you don't stab them when you dig them up. So yeah, it's all coming together really well. We've sown some peas, normal peas, early peas in here, as I grow them in containers first so that the mice don't get them and the rats until they're a decent size. We've got onions growing in here in cell trays. We'll be planting those out towards the end of March when they've got some good roots on them and looking healthy. So yeah, like I said, the polytunnel episodes are going to get longer as things are progressing in here. We're doing absolutely loads down here. I'm excited to see how things grow this year. We've invested a lot into this polytunnel this year, so it's going to be a main project of mine to get some good crops growing. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.